Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, and A level students. So today we have to discuss one of the interesting question from the quadratic discriminant cases. Okay, so if let's say discriminant is greater than 0, two roots, then discriminant is equal to 0. We'll be having two same or equal roots, fine, and less than 0, then it's a no root at all or does not intersect the curve with the line. All right, here we have a question: find the set of values of m for which the y is equal to mx plus 4 does not meet the curve y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 6. All right, so how we can solve this one? We can start with y is equal to y, fine, then x square plus 2x plus 6 is equal to mx plus 4. Transfer it to the left, all these things. All right, so it's a, you will get quadratic equation: x square plus 2 minus m x 6 minus 4 is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now the condition, it says that it does not meet the curve, isn't it, here? So it means b square minus 4ac less than 0, right? So here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 minus m, and c is equal to 2. So substitute here: 2 minus m bracket square minus 4 times a is 1, b is 2, less than 0. Yeah, and then we have to expand it and figure it out the values of m. So apart from this one, actually our regular batches classes are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Even we are building our website, so that means student can do their homework, then they can access the ideal answers as well. Okay, even we have included all the past paper questions, okay, as much as we can. All right, so that student enjoy the study part comprehensively. They do not miss the any of the topic list or something. Okay, I will update you in coming days. All right, it's on building process, fine. And in my knowledge, actually it's kind of one of the comprehensive digital book you will be getting in the coming days and months, fine. It's building process. All right, so even though if you search on the Google VisionIGCSE.com, you will get the little bit of information about it. It's building process. So coming months and days you will get the access, all right, through the login and subscription. All right, yeah. So here next part is actually 2 minus m less than 4 times 2 is 8. All right, it's a square. Now transfer square to the right hand side, it's a square root. So 2 minus m less than square root of 8. Square root of 8 you can write 2 root 2. Yeah, so it's a 2 minus m less than 2 root 2, and it's a plus minus. Yeah, then nextly transfer this one to the left, m to the right, fine. So 2 minus 2 root 2 less than plus minus basically, okay, plus minus less than m. Now m you can write in this form. It's a m is equal to, it's greater than, because see here it lesser value to the greater value means it's a 2 minus 2 root 2 less than 2 plus 2 root 2. That's it, fine. This is the answer. And if they ask in more specifically up to 2 decimal digit, you have to put in the calculator and write the answer up to 2 decimal places or 2 significant figure, whatever they ask in the question. Fine. I hope you enjoyed this one. Share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for supporting. All right.